All right, guys, what we discussed yesterday. So I have given a range. So I think you remember. Let me show you in 15 minutes. So here you can see this is the Bank Nifty and 15-minute chart and future chart, August future chart. So I have given a range. So I think you remember. So what I told that if I get any opportunity in this area, because this is a supply zone, all right, price are rejecting again and again. So that is why this is a supply zone, or you can say this is a resistance. Okay, so we was looking for short once price reach that level. All right, after rejecting in this area. So, but what happened? Price not able to reach, but they rejected from this area. But here we missed that opportunity. Okay. So what I told that we are looking for buy if price pull back to this level. So that means we are looking for short below this resistance once they form a bearish candle, and we are looking for buy once they form a bullish candle in this area. Let's take a look where I entered here. So, but here I can see I enter in this candle. I collect like 100 points, not that much. But unfortunately, I missed this opportunity. So let me show you why. And we will discuss at what level we are going to enter tomorrow also. Okay. So let me show you in a 15-minute chart, sorry, 5-minute chart. So here I can see, let me remove this one first. Okay. So means that was our resistance line. I can say like a supply area. So price open here, so they are running like that, and finally goes. But I was expecting price will reach that level. But here I can see this is the perfect rejection candle. So price not able to reach that level. So that is why I missed that opportunity. Okay. So next here we can see price pull back here. And here you can see bullish candle. There was a rejection, and I entered here. First entry here. That was my SL 50 points. So ideally my point is SL point is 50, and the target is 250. But price not able to reach this level. So where I exit my position here by collecting 100 points somewhere here. I close my position. Okay. So why I close my position here? So let me show you here. My target was somewhere there, but price goes a little bit and price drop again. So in that case, I close my position. Okay. So again, I re-entered in this area and I collect, I think 150 points. Okay. So why? So let me show you the market behavior. So here we can see price pull back sharp, goes up a little bit, again pull back. The next when they attempt, they fail to create this higher point. Okay, they have failed to create a new high. That was high, but here I can see they fail and they form a bearish candle. Okay, so this bearish candle formed exactly below. This is the V wave. So once they form, so I enter here. Okay, so I collect this point. That was 2 entry points. Okay, let's discuss for tomorrow. Let me show you first a 1 hour chart. So this is a 1 hour chart. So in this case, you must find out the range. So here I can see. Okay, so first see the market behavior. Let's remove this volume. Okay, so now I can see market behavior. All right, so in a H1 chart, okay, let me zoom a little bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Now I can see. So first understand the market direction and market behavior. So after that, you find out your entry point. Okay, so let me show you. Price sharp move down, holding, it will be pull back, again sharp move down, and right now you can see price are running in a range. So this is called a range. All right, this is called a range. So means price sharp move down. Now they are running in a range like that. Okay. So when they are forming this type of range, okay, let me remove and let me draw properly. Sharp move down. After that, they are running in a range. Okay, let's say this is the range. Okay, this is the upper boundary and this is the lower boundary. So in that case, how exactly I am trading? So my focus maximum, my focus in a downside because this is the trend continue pattern. Okay, so that means it is a probability to continue toward the downside. All right. So but we never know when going to break this range. So in that case, we are using some probability. So here we are using probability, and here in this area we are using probability. Okay, so means this area called our key level. Okay, this area also key level and this area also key level. That means once we get any buy confirmation above this area, we just buy it and it's a target almost 1:4 and 1:5. Okay, it's a probability to retest this level. Okay, it's a maximum time it's happened. So once we get the opportunity sell, we sell it again. It's a probability to continue towards the downside. All right, this is the two key level. So another, once price break this range, and if price close below this area, we are looking for short. It may continue from this area, or let's say price goes and break this level and we are looking for buy above this area. So in that case, now you can see where is our level. Sharp move down, so this is the lower key level. Okay, goes up. Okay, now it's a rejection, little bit of rejection, little bit of rejection. So here you can see this line around 45,200. This is our key level. If I see any bearish candle, I'll sell it. All right, and the maximum buying. So here you can see two level. We have seen another one level also here, but major line is somewhere there. Okay, so in that case, if I get any buy signal above this area, I'll buy it, but I'll reduce my quantity. Okay, I'm not interested to sell below this area. I'm interested to sell below this area, which is called 44500. Okay, this level. Once price close below this level, I'll sell it. Okay, once I get buy opportunity above this area, let's say they pull back and form a bullish candle, I'll buy it. That's it. Or if price form, this is also key level. All right, minor key level. If form any buy signal, so I'll buy it. But I'm not going to short below this level. Okay, so this is market range right now. Okay, so I hope you understand where how I identify the key level and where is my entry point. So thanks for giving your valuable time.